Hello students, here is the question. The number of solution of the equation mod of cot x equal to cot x plus 1 by sin x, and it is in the interval of 0 to 2 pi. So here we know that x, or x when is in the interval of 0 to 2 pi, will have two domains, because cot will have different values and different domains. Now the case one is when cot is positive, that is x lying between 0 to pi by 2 union pi to 3 pi by 2. Now these are the two domains for x where cot is positive. So cot, mod cot becomes cot, and cot is equal to cot of x plus 1 by sin x, which is not possible because sine can have none, sine cannot have a value so large than 1 that the term 1 by sin x will become 0. So this is not possible. And if you look at case 2 where x is in the domain pi by 2 to pi union 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, where cot is negative, so mod cot becomes minus cot, and minus cot x equal to cot x plus 1 by sin x. Once we simplify them, we get minus 2 cos x by sin x equal to minus cos is equal to 1 by sin x, and cos x will become minus 1 by 2, and cos x is negative minus 1 by 2, okay, negative 1 by 2 at x equal to 2 pi by 3. So there was only one solution. Thank you.